Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kaylin, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an acrylic snow globe tumbler. Oh, I am so excited to do this. I've been wanting to do this forever, like 2 years. For 2 years I wanted to do this, and I finally have the supplies to do it, and I'm going to show you that process in this video today. I forgot what I was going to say. So if acrylic tumblers interest you, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. I've got so much planned for the channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed already. I really appreciate you guys. With that being said, let's get into the video. Starting off, I purchased my acrylic tumbler from Takealot. Keep in mind, these are double-walled tumblers. It's important to have a double-walled tumbler to achieve the snow globe effect. This tumbler cost me 150 Rand, but you can also purchase tumblers from SA Sublimation blanks. I went ahead and drilled a hole off camera into the tumbler, being careful not to pierce the second layer. If you pierce the second wall of your tumbler, it won't work. So just go really slow when you're doing this step. Alright, next I went ahead and taped off the edge of my tumbler just to catch the glitter from falling. Using my Cricut tool, I then decided to add my glitter. This is a glitter mix that I mixed up myself. I got my glitter from resinsupplies.coza. I got the fire and ice and purple glitter, and I just kind of mixed that together and it created this beautiful color. So I'm just going ahead and putting the glitter into my cup. I'm also kind of just tapping it on the side to sort of get the glitter in there. Yeah, so I got glitter all over my cutting mat, but I was having a lot of fun. So I kind of just eyeballed how much glitter I'd need. I didn't really measure this out thoroughly. Now I'm going to add my glycerine and water mixture. I used about 50 milliliters of glycerine and 50 milliliters of water. I didn't like the consistency of this mixture, so I decided to add a little more glycerine until I was happy. I then added the liquid mixture using a syringe. After that, I cleaned the bottom of my tumbler using isopropyl alcohol and paper towels. It's really important to clean this up well. If you don't, the UV resin used to seal up the bottom will not adhere at all. It will just pop right off. So take your time with this step. Then I'll seal up the bottom using UV resin and a piece of acetate. I bought my UV resin from SA Sublimation blanks, and I got the acetate sheet from my local print shop. I forgot to mention that I put some UV resin down on the outer edges of my circle, and then I placed the acetate sheet over that, and I let that cure for about 10 to 15 minutes in the sun. I added another layer of UV resin to seal everything in, cured it outside for an additional 20 minutes, and that was it. So what did you think of this? I think it turned out really beautiful for a beginner. I don't think it was too bad. There's definitely a few things. Can you see it moving? It's so cool. It's so cool. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to look in the computer if you guys can see that. It's moving so slowly. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. But I'll be definitely making another one of these. I definitely would change a few things the next time. So I didn't really like the mixture that I made. I think the next time I would kind of just change up the mixture a bit. Maybe add some baby oil or just put less water or actually more water because it's flowing quite slowly. But that's okay. It still looks really cool. For a beginner, I don't think it was too bad. But I'll definitely change a few things the next time I do this. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm so obsessed with this. It's so freaking pretty. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have made it this far, I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next craft video. Have an awesome week and weekend. Bye.